Located 72 kilometers northeast off the coast of Gladstone, Australia, sits the small coral cay, Heron Island. Measuring only 40 acres in area, the island is home to Australia's largest university research station. Although the white sandy beaches and clear blue waters tend to catch the eye, the true beauty lies in the complex interactions of species in this exceptional ecosystem. This is their story. As the evening tide washes up on Heron Beach, it brings with it the loggerhead and green sea turtles that nest in the area. Heron Island is the perfect location for female turtles to come ashore and lay their eggs. To shelter these nests from inclement weather, the turtles dig nests under vegetation. Pisonia trees are abundant throughout the island and provide habitat for tens of thousands of birds called noddy terns. While the pisonias provide an essential nesting ground, there is a trade-off. Many of the noddies get entangled in the sticky fruits of the pisonia. Once entangled, the noddy is unable to fly and is thus doomed. When the bird dies, it decomposes back into the soil, recycling essential nutrients for the pisonias and other shore plants. When the turtle hatchlings break the surface of the nest in pursuit of the tide, many of these birds can sense the vibration in the ground. Countless sea turtle hatchlings are consumed by these birds waiting on the beach. Even further peril remains in the ocean. Only 1 out of every 1,000 turtle hatchlings will survive to reach maturity. Encompassing a staggering 133,000 square miles, the Great Barrier Reef, located off the northeast coast of Queensland, Australia, is the world's largest structure made by living organisms. Many organisms contribute to the building of reefs, but none so significantly as corals, who secrete the majority of the reef's carbonate skeleton. It's necessary for reef-building corals to establish themselves in water shallow enough for light to penetrate because of their unique relationship with a microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These zooxanthellae photosynthesize from inside the coral, passing on nutrients to its host. In turn, the coral provides shelter for the zooxanthellae. The parrotfish are one of the most important sand producers. They have special teeth fused into beak-like plates that allow them to bite and scrape off algae and pieces of coral. This sand helps establish and maintain beaches on shorelines such as Heron Island. The clownfish secretes a special mucus that makes it immune to the stings of the sea anemone. The clownfish wards off those that would eat its host, and the anemone stings those that would eat the clownfish. Some relationships are not as beneficial to both members. Remoras attach to their hosts using a special sucker, gaining free food and transportation. Rays try to remove remoras by jumping out of the water, which can knock off these unwanted hitchhikers. Throughout all the plant and animal interactions in this ecosystem, one theme remains clear: life on the reef is invariably interconnected.